In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your contact list on Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts or maintain a tidy database, managing your contact list effectively is crucial. So let's dive right into it. First off, head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that houses all the tools you need. Navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll see an option labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you're in the Audience tab, select All Contacts. This will bring you a comprehensive view of your entire contact list. If your account deals with multiple audiences, you will want to ensure that you're working with the correct list. Use the drop-down menu to select the intended audience. It's important to keep your focus on the right group to avoid accidental edits or deletions. The next step involves identifying which contacts need attention. Here, Mailchimp offers some fantastic options to make this task easier. Start by filtering your contacts using various criteria. You might want to focus on unsubscribed contacts, those who have opted out of your emails. Alternatively, you can look for inactive contacts. These are recipients who haven't engaged with your emails or campaigns recently and might need a nudge or complete removal. Another category to consider is bounced emails, which occur when messages can't be delivered to an address. To begin filtering, go to Manage Contacts and select View Contacts. Within this window, you'll find the filter or segment options. These tools allow you to sort contacts based on their behavior, email engagement, or subscription status. Spend a little time here to thoroughly review and decide which contacts no longer serve your email marketing strategy. Once you have identified the contacts that require cleanup, you'll have two main options: archive or delete. Archiving is highly recommended for those unsubscribed or inactive contacts. The reason being, archiving will remove the contacts from your active list while retaining their data for any future reference you might need. To carry out this task, select the contacts you want to archive, click on Actions, and then hit Archive. Alternatively, if you're complying with GDPR regulations or simply wish to remove contacts permanently, you can choose to delete them. To do this, select the specific contacts and click on Actions, then Permanently Delete. Bear in mind that deleted contacts are gone for good and cannot be restored, so be sure before you hit that delete button. And that's about it. You've cleaned up your contact list on Mailchimp with ease. Remember, regular maintenance like this keeps your marketing efforts both effective and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.